Oye, ayuda ahí, ayúdenme.
Por la instrucción de nuestro presidente Vladimir Putin, Rusia está preparando ahora a la asistencia urgente debido a la situación complicada en el sector energético, una grave situación, y esto incluye alrededor de 80.000 toneladas de combustible por un monto de acuerdo con la instrucción del presidente de 60 millones de dólares.
A medio peso ahí, a medio peso ahí. ¿Cómo lo hizo? 20.
Pues en estos días se perdió muchísima comida, muchísimas cosas con todo el tema de la pérdida de la electricidad. Y bueno, más ahora lo que queda es reponerse para intentar volver a salir adelante como siempre lo hemos hecho.
Ahorita estamos, yo creo que... No, por aquí no hay basura.
Más o menos aquí la gente van teniendo los productos necesarios, lo que se puede, no están todos, pero bueno, con las afectaciones que hay, la gente se van recuperando.
Cuba's national electrical grid collapsed Wednesday as Hurricane Rafael slammed into the island. The state-run grid operator blamed high winds for knocking out power to the entire population of 10 million people, the second such incident in less than a month. Cubans in the capital city Havana sheltered from violent gusts and rain, some struggling against the force of the winds.
It's a bit dangerous. I was crossing the street, and if I hadn't held on tight to this little piece here, it would have thrown me to the ground.
The U.S. National Hurricane Center warned of a life-threatening storm surge, damaging hurricane-force winds and flash flooding across much of western Cuba. The capital of 2 million people is especially vulnerable, with its densely packed homes and poor infrastructure. Schools, public transport and flights were suspended until further notice. Officials say they evacuated more than 100 Canadian tourists from a popular beach destination. Farm provinces producing Cuba's prized tobacco for hand-rolled cigars are expected to take a near-direct hit from the hurricane. And the timing could not be worse for the communist-run island. Just last month, it suffered another total collapse of its national electrical grid, which left the country without power for several days. The country's oil-fired power plants are obsolete and struggle to keep the lights on. Energy output has also been hit as oil imports from Venezuela, Russia and Mexico have dwindled this year. Forecasters predict Rafael will spin off towards the western Gulf of Mexico later this week, though the track remains uncertain.